is actually like not coming off. It's literally on my cheek. What an actual fail. So, okay, these earrings are getting on my last nerves. I'm taking these earrings off. Hello kings and queens, thank you so much for tuning to this video. Today we are going to be following Kylie Jenner's makeup tutorial that she posted on Vogue. I just wanted to see, you know, what kind of her tips were and see if I can replicate it on my black face. So yeah, let's see if this is good, bad, whatever. If you guys like this kind of videos, make sure you let me know in the comments, and also like this video so I know to keep pushing content like this one. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to this kingdom. Over here we reign, okay? I talk all about young professional lives and how to just reign in your life with Christ in general. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. I'm watching it over here.
First, I start with my brows. I already moisturized and put chapstick on.
Me too. So, okay, that was way too fast. So she started with her brows and then did the concealer right after.
I'm gonna brush them up. I used to do my brows, but then I kind of just learned what I like. I conceal right underneath to shape the brow, and then I apply it all over my lid as like a base for my eyeshadow. I take my beauty blender and I just like blend it out. Face powder, eyeshadow, and I'm using one of my new palettes. I'm going in with
this
some
one
shades, my crease.
Okay, this is not.
I'm just pretty much like shaping my eye. I'm gonna do kind of like a simple eye today because I have some meetings. I'm not trying to be too crazy. Oh, there you go. This amazing shade. I'm gonna put this under my brow bone. I test out most of my stuff on Jordan because we live together. So I'm like, Jordan, I need you. Everyone that comes in my house has like red tinted arms from like swatches and like shadows. Now I'm gonna go in with this darker brown. Kind of gives me more of like a cut crease. Like right in the center. My new favorite gold shade. It's perfect for the summer. And I'm gonna just take it on my finger because I feel like that just works best sometimes. It's like such a bright gold and it has kind of like a copper hint to it. It's definitely, I think, my favorite gold I've ever created. I think I'm gonna do something a little crazy and take Juicy, this orange, has some shimmer to it, and put it in my tear duct. So that's amazing. And then I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just wipe the excess. That's why I do my foundation after eyeshadow. Eyeshadow falls down and then your face isn't cute anymore. So I just found these Marc Jacobs Fantasy Dewdrops and I'm kind of obsessed. 1 squirt of this. I do have a spray tan right now. So I'm gonna do
She's using a brush to do her foundation, and I never do that, but
brush, it all around.
I'll try that today.
I'm gonna clip my hair up. I kind of like my freckles to show through my makeup. I know it looks like I'm putting like loads on, but I blend it out really good so that it doesn't look too heavy. And then I always take it down to my neck and just blend it all in. I've always been like really into makeup. I think I just used to watch my mom a lot maybe, and I used to like steal all her makeup, and she had these 2 little Chanel loose eyeshadow powders. I just can't get them out of my mind. It was like this baby blue and this baby pink, and I would just put them all over my face. They were bomb. My mom always let me wear makeup. It was from my dad that didn't really want me to wear makeup, but my mom always let me be creatively wild and go to my 6th grade class with purple eyeshadow and a cut crease. I haven't thought about letting Stormy wear makeup. I mean, I'm gonna let her wear makeup, but when is the question. Okay, once I'm done blending this out like crazy, I'm gonna take the same foundation I used and line the top of my brows since I did my brows before. I didn't want to get too close with the bigger brush. Blend that out. I like to mix my concealers because I like to use a pinkier one and a beigeier one. Pink cancels out I used to conceal my forehead, but I don't do that anymore because I feel like when you have like a cakey forehead, it gives away the fact that you're wearing makeup. Me and Kim do not compete. A lot of people think we might, but we really like making like completely different products, and we both enjoy each other's stuff, so it's just the more makeup the better. So I'm gonna use Kim's setting powder.
I'm gonna use setting spray.
Chanel. It's actually like a sunscreen and a foundation. Sunscreen is important to me. I'm actually really fair skin, and I can't ever like get a tan. I just burn. A little bit of this never hurt. Now for a little bronzer, and I'm just gonna go right under my cheekbone. For my face, I place my contour mainly like right at the edge, and then I kind of like blend it out. And then I do the side of my forehead. I kind of do like a 3. Okay, right? So after I contour,
so try with this
I'm going to
powder.
bake this. It's important you do this after your bronzer because I feel like that's what is, I don't know. I really don't know. But it's important you do it after your bronzer. I can't do my makeup without baking. I think it really does help. And for anyone who doesn't know what it is, baking actually like, it's like powder is like soaking in to your skin and leaving like a residue of like of color. So I'm like trying to make this lighter here so I have more of like it just shapes my face. I hope that was a great explanation. I'm gonna leave this for like the rest of my makeup. I do pretty much color my whole lip with lip liner. I think I can do it with my eyes closed. It's pretty good. It was actually a funny story. My mom did her lip liner in the car real quick. We were actually at Disney World with my whole family a long time ago. And she accidentally took out her black eyeliner instead of her lip liner, and she lined her whole lips with black eyeliner. And Courtney was dying. I think Courtney peed her pants. I'm using Nova lipstick today. I had Kylie Lip Kit trademarked like 2 years before it even launched, and I was like bugging my mom about it. I see it, like I need to do this. She was like, okay, put up your own money. Like, stop talking about the lip kit. And then I didn't even order a lot. My mom was like, okay, if this doesn't work out, you're gonna have like a lot of lip kits in your garage. I didn't even make it to my launch party. I like refreshed the page, and in 2 seconds, everything was gone. And like, I just remember me and all my glam people, my friends, we were like screaming. And then the Kylie Instagram used to be Kylie Lip Kit, and then the day after I changed it to Kylie Cosmetics, and I was like, this is like gonna be something like I can actually do. Yeah, I saw Kendall modeling all over the world, and I was like, and that was always her dream, and just, you know, then finally finding something that was like mine and I loved was like the best feeling in the world. When I was insecure about my lips, I turned to makeup to help me feel more confident. So now I'm gonna do shade my under eyes. I'm gonna go in again with Aquaholic. I feel like this just like completes the eye. I think I'm gonna do something a little crazy and take Juicy, the orange color again, and drag it underneath. Brightening. I'm just gonna do a little bit under my eyes and clean anything up. Contour my nose a little bit. Now I'm gonna do blush, which is my favorite part, and I'm gonna use Barely Legal from Kylie Cosmetics. I love this pink color. I smile, so I know where to put it. I put a little like on my forehead too, and like my chin, and I guess my nose. I just love blush, and I just put it like all over my face. Okay, I'm done with this for now, and just wipe this off.
I look so crazy. Like, what am I doing, bro? It's actually like not coming off. This thing is literally on my cheek. Wow, what an actual fail. So, okay, these earrings are getting on my last nerves. I'm taking these earrings off. So she has like long lashes, or like lash extensions, I guess. So I'm going to try to replicate that with some fake lashes. So I'm going to apply these lashes. Wish me luck.
Dior Show black mascara on top.
I'm gonna apply this mascara. She says she applies it over her lashes. Oh, I applied lashes
but I don't care.
off camera, by the way. And
I use brown on the bottom because I don't like too much mascara.
I don't know what
on the
I'm doing,
bottom, so
obviously.
It just gives me more of like a subtle.
That was my first time ever applying lashes off.
Like when I put black,
Well, not even off camera, ever at all, by myself, on myself.
Now I'm gonna do some.
I can apply
highlighter.
lashes pretty well on other people, but it's kind of hard when it's on myself.
I like to use a small brush when I highlight because I just like it to be like. I use my finger because I think it helps like blend it in. Not on the too powdery either. I use my finger because I think it helps like blend it in. It doesn't look too powdery either. I'm still do like above my lip. Maybe on my chin. Okay. I'm gonna try one of my new glosses and see if this works out. Might not. It's kind of fun. Brow gel. I take the tip, which like holds the most product, and I like wipe all the product on first. And then I brush it up so it's like extra product. Extra blush, always at the end. Blush doesn't work for everybody, but it just makes me like just feel amazing. Drowning in blush right now. But it just makes me feel like my whole look is complete. And then I just let my hair down. And I'm actually gonna spray because I feel like spraying just makes your makeup look better in person and less powdery. So you kind of drench it and you get a little scared at first because you're like, did I ruin my makeup? But then once it dries, it looks way better. All right, well that is my beat face. Bye guys.
All right, you guys, this is the finished look. This took me forever. First, second, I feel like I look like a clown. I'm so tired. My eyes hurt because it took me forever to put these eyelashes on and they don't even look good. Like, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. This was fun. It was a good exercise. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it kind of looks like a mess. I don't think I did as good as her, but I'm just happy it's over at this point. Thank you guys for watching and make sure to come back for more videos. Bye.